Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a little bit of a mini Walmart haul for y'all. I just went to Walmart and I just wanted to do a little haul for y'all on what I got at Walmart.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
It's supper time. I'm going to try making my waffles. So come along with me and let's make these together.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
They are so like light and fluffy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The waffle mix is bomb. So I'm gonna finish whipping up the rest of this batch, and yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.